everybody, I am normally talking about but never showing how I go and I get my clippings for my vases. I thought I'd do something a little different. We're literally just making 3 floral arrangements for 3 key areas in my home, and I'm gonna bring you guys along because normally I just tell you that I go and clip flowers in the middle of the night, but today it's broad daylight, okay? People are out, people are gonna see me, and I don't care. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started and build these beautiful floral arrangements for free. Aldi bag, check. Clippers, check.
Let's do it.
Obviously get your vase, make sure the water's in, make sure it's pretty much room temperature. You don't want it to be too hot, too cold. Gather any clippings that you have. Just go around and see what you have available to you. Look at this. Oh, hi. You want to get some ice cream while I'm filming? And look at this guy. Say hello, family.
Hi.
Everybody's getting ice cream, but I'm not. By the way, this was white previously and I just painted it. This is called Mossy Gold. It's giving mood, okay? So look at that. I think it's so beautiful. Let's go ahead and take this bunch and we're gonna start with the top. See? That's pretty nice. And now we're going to take a different kind, something a little bit more delicate, and put that in, see how that looks. It actually looks pretty good. Okay, wait a minute. And this is exactly my process. I put stuff in, I take a step back, or maybe I don't, and I just think I'm done. Charlie, what do you think? What do you like about it? Just saying stuff and walking away. She didn't really look. This came from Home Goods, and I'm obsessed. The veins, oh my gosh. You guys, like, look at how beautiful it is all the way around. And I love this unique shape. Let's start with 2 sculptural branches. So we're gonna put one here and we're gonna put another one right here. Okay, that's decent, but you know what? This is not needed. Now let's add something a little bit bigger. These have to be a little bit shorter. So we're gonna do something different. This is a lot shorter. This works. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? See, the vase really does make a difference. It can also have other things going on. What we'll do is I will cut this one down. Okay. Now we need a little bit of something in the middle. I'm thinking we can do this guy here because it's small and it's light. Oh, that's pretty. Need one more. Please tell me I got one more. Let's see what we have in here. Oh, look at how pretty. It's even got some of this. Put that in. We're gonna put something else, some of this on this side for symmetry. Here we go. Okay. Look at that. Maybe we can add a little bit more of these guys. Well, that's stunning without being too overdone. And now the third and final arrangement. I am so excited. This one is my favorite. I love what I did here. And this was something I did earlier off camera. Hold on. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? This is by far one of my favorite arrangements I've ever done. It took me about 20 minutes to like arrange things and put things in, take things out, switch things up, and I'm really happy with it. Mexican fan palm and oleander. Everything else, succulent, and this is stuff from the park. Let me know what you guys think. Please vote for your favorite arrangements. So number 1, number 2, or number 3. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate you guys so much. Have a wonderful day. I am so excited to be able to share this with you. And I want to do this segment where Angelle's rearranging florals. What should we name it? Clipping time or designing clip? Well, I don't know. Please give me some suggestions down in the comments. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.